In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy or multiple copies using your HP SmartTank 6001 printer. Step number 1 is to open the scanner. Take the paper and place it facing down. Now you're going to align the top left corner of this paper with the top left corner of the scanner. Okay, once both are touching, you can now close the scan lid. Now you're going to notice, once you open the scan lid, this button over here will be lit up. The green button is to make color copies. The white one is for make black and white copies. If you want to make multiple copies, take a look over here. This is, you see 00. You'll have to press multiple times on the desired button. So if I want to make 2 color copies, I'll press twice on the color button. 1, 2, you see? And now just wait. It will start scanning and the result will come out right over here. And here we go, we got our 2 copies that we just made. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.